Want to install Google Meet on your device? Whether you're attending online classes, joining work meetings, or chatting with friends and family, getting Google Meet set up is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install Google Meet in 2026. So let's get started. First, decide which device you want to use. Google Meet works in most modern web browsers on Windows and Mac, and it's also available as a mobile app for Android and iPhone. If you're using a computer, you may not need to install a separate application at all. If you're using a Windows or Mac computer, simply open your preferred web browser and visit the Google Meet website. Most users can join and host meetings directly from the browser without installing additional software. This is the easiest option for most desktop users. If your browser supports it, you can also install Google Meet as a web app. Look for the install icon near the address bar, then follow the prompts to add Google Meet to your computer. This creates a convenient shortcut that opens like a regular desktop application. Once Google Meet is open, sign in with your Google account if prompted. This lets you create meetings, join scheduled calls, and access your meeting history. Take a moment to confirm you're signed into the correct account. Finally, start a new meeting or join an existing one to make sure everything is working correctly. Check your microphone options and camera options before entering the meeting. So you're all set to start using Google Meet, and that's how to install Google Meet. Whether you're using a mobile device or a computer, getting started only takes a few minutes. Once you're signed in and your camera and microphone are working, you're ready for your next meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.